Okay. Hello. Okay. So far, so good, but this needs fixing before we continue here. This can be removed. Let's leave that. Okay, fine. Fine. just making sure that everything is as it should be. Okay. Looks like for contrast's sake. Yeah. One, two, three, four, five. We'll see if this works. If we have enough room. Okay, we just need a spring and we are in business. Now with the spring, the issue is here that we actually want a spring that's pushing down as directly as possible down here, not via a lever, because the moment you have a lever, unless it's really long, it always will be more willing to go into one direction than the other. Just, something to keep in mind. Yeah, do not disturb. Okay. But we have to do something. Maybe even a wild spring that goes from the side. I mean, we do have the room, because this is now one step deeper inside of what we have here. So maybe Tricky. Okay, maybe we can do a spring from above. We do have room. I mean, we have a lot more room than from below, I guess. Well, not room. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, in order to even test if it works, we need to do something here. But let me first do this front part, and then we can discuss. So this front part here can be as high up as this as well, I guess. No, it has to be here. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna do this better later once we know that everything fits and it works. Of course, this is just testing, you know. Now we need a spring here, and then we can see if it works. But I will put it in the car just to see how this fits. It should fit. Where is the hang up? What the fuck? What? Okay. Well, blimey, it doesn't fit. Well, it would fit. It would fit if this wasn't there. If this wasn't there, it would fit. Okay. Because this is where the steering shaft goes down. Damn it. How do we reconcile this? Making it complicated, of course. Okay, let's make the spring first, and then we need to somehow redesign this here so it's not there. I don't know, how about, yeah, but that's the general idea. So we are moving this part further back, and yeah, compared to this here. So basically, we're moving the entire mechanism that's here. We are moving it much further back. One, two, three, four. Why is it that I never have what I need on the desk every single time? This is suboptimal. Suboptimal, but it is what it is. Yeah, but where do I attach it to? For now, this is gonna be its attachment point for now. Now, exactly. That's what the spring. So in this direction it goes fine. But in this direction it struggles because of the spring. This is not okay. We cannot recreate this. This was perfect. This was same in both directions. We don't have the room for this here. Well, okay, it works. Let's redesign this here. It has to go from simple to complicated. Okay. This is gonna give us headaches, but I need to try it. Right. I mean, yeah. It's gonna limit travel here. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's not so bad. The jury is out. I don't know if this is gonna clear the maybe this. Okay. Spring. I had an idea. Come on. Okay. And then we need to go just to there. How are we gonna do that? It's testing, of course. Testing. No. Like this and no. Problem is we need all of this needs to be they need to be axle connectors. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Um, mm, mm, mm. Like this, and yes. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna go one up like this, and we are going to anchor it here. It's gonna be a torrent spring, I think. We'll see. We'll see how this works. No, the torrent spring is gonna be too stiff. Too stiff. Okay. Evening, evening. Welcome to hell. You know what I'm trying to do here, right? I am trying to do this stunt and have this on a, on a spring, but I need to kind of locate it. And I am not really doing it here because this frame here is not even gonna be there. I'm not counting on this frame because it's gonna be completely different here. This is just a mock-up. I'm just, trying to do it here in the front somehow. Which is probably gonna be impossible. I mean, we could do it like this, I guess. Make more sense. obviously this needs some you know, some refinement, I guess. We need to just make it work, kind of, you know, I guess. Well, the idea here is, of course, that this is gonna, you know, provide the spring action. Come on. Spring action on this. But it's a bad idea. So it would be an equal amount. But, you know, this is crap. This is crap. Let's put this in the car and see first if this clears. Is this clear or not? We can insert gearbox. That's a start, but can we shift it? That's the other question. Can we actually shift it? So this here is bypassing it. The lever is too short. We can shift. No, doesn't drop anywhere. Theoretically, if we had a spring here, we would be able to shift. So that's encouraging. Okay, we just need to make this a lot better than it is now. But before we do this, since we would like to count on this structure here as well, we need to, you know, make the gearbox. It's gonna be different than what we see here. All of the sides will need to be completely different. And you know, let's see what we can do. First, let's mark where our length has to be. So, okay, the knob gear is just in front of this lift arm, and this lift arm is probably going to stay, so we can ditch everything else. Let's make it naked. Right, okay. Some disassembly required. We need none of that. And we need none of that, not in the present form. Obviously, we need to change this here. Not everything, come on. ditch this. Okay, so we cannot use any of that we just took off, because the shifters are gonna be in positions where those lift arms just cannot be. They will have to have new positions, but the positions, the problem with the lift arm positions is that we are not getting a connection to this part here. And this is gonna be problematic for gearbox stability. Those frames gave us the connection to here, you know, a solid connection to this part here, which we just lost. And we need to now see how we can regain what we lost. Can we regain what we lost? I don't know. I don't know. So let's first place the lift arms where they ideally would be, I guess. In an ideal world, the lift arms will be where I am just gonna place them. Do we have this ideal world? No. 1, 2, 3. We will. But, you know, we are in a phase right now. So where do those frames need to be? Let's see. This little frame needs to be here. And guess what? This little frame cannot be here. Not like that. Because we have this here. And we need this, because if we don't have this here, the gearbox is kinda weak. We can change this for a smaller one, so the frame is gonna fit, but then we have to be creative otherwise. So let's do this. I mean, we are creative, so I you know, I trust in this. If we are something, we are creative. Okay. So now we can place this lift arm here. There we go. You know, we're gonna change this anyway, but for now, we need to place the lift arms where they are supposed to be. So it's gonna be here. I mean the frames. This one should be here. And this one, we're gonna butcher this here, since we know this is a good one. This one needs to be here. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a problem. We could, of course, brute force this in and make something that is, I wouldn't say not buildable, because it's obviously buildable, but if we put a connector or something here, we could, you know, we can force it out. I can force it out, but realistically, I would not. I wouldn't expect a random person who was building the set to do this. Let's put it this way. So we cannot use a frame here, at least not in this scenario. I mean, not this this way, which is unfortunate. Which is unfortunate because there's nothing I can do here to alleviate this. You know, this is where it should be. There is room for everything except this here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, and this is excellent. Then we have, you know, then these are, well, here. You can imagine one being here as well. And then the rest, what we built here, would be here in the front. But yeah, this is problematic because, first of all, the problem is, of course, how do we now connect these two? We cannot. We cannot. Not like this. I know. But no. We cannot. Works just for you and me. Not for the average buyer of the set. So that's not gonna happen. So we are, you know, we need to combine this anyway, and we have the room to go, you know, this wide. This is the room of the engine bay, so we can have stuff here as well. So one step further out. Okay, and we are gonna make use of that. At least that I hope we are. So we are probably gonna have to use lift arms on both sides, and then we're gonna have a frame on the outside, making sure that those lift arms are together, if that makes sense. I would like to do this symmetrically, if possible, because we can offset these two frames. Since we are gonna use lift arms, this frame can be one stud further back, this frame can be one stud further back, further to front, this one further back, and then the frames are at the same level. So it would be symmetrical. you know, something. We're gonna do something. I mean, dog bone pieces could also be possible because we can then do this. We can use lift arms here and use dog bone pieces for this. It is possible. Yeah, it is possible. That is absolutely a possibility. And it will have to be like this, because we cannot go any further than this because there's a bulkhead. So this is the hard limit. Sadly, we will have to use those long lift arms, not the short ones. Yeah. What about the bottom? So that's the top. We are using a lift arm here on the top. And then dog bone pieces. That's all gonna be nice and fine. So let's say, okay. Now what are we gonna do at the bottom? How much room do we have here? My guess is less. Yeah, less. So we cannot go further out. Okay. So at the bottom we have like one stud more. We have, you know, one stud more room here, but only in this, only here. So we can, I mean, only here we can go further out than one stud. Here we have to be, we have just one stud room because of the structure of the chassis. Yeah, and if we use dog bone parts here, we are gonna be just shy of a part here. Where are my dog bones? So if we use a dog bone part here, it's gonna be like here, you know, we are just shy of this. Very unfortunate. And because of the gear, we can do nothing. Doesn't this make you angry? I mean, it makes me angry. If only we had such a part, but we don't. We fucking don't. And if we use a combination of like lift arms or, you know, random stuff, it's just not gonna be stiff. This is just gonna be garbage. Okay. part has to be here, of course. Okay, doesn't matter. We're gonna make this longer. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, what? This was here, and I wanted to make it. All right, my one start. No. Ah, okay, my mistake. Sorry. Everything's fine. Okay. Okay. And we have the dog bone part. Here. I mean, this is gonna be so weak. Oh, so weak. So weak. I mean, of course I can make a connection here, but it's gonna suck. You know, I can do, like this, and then um, a connector on top of it, and then a lift arm here. But oh, that frame is way too big. Way too big. I mean, it's gigantic. Horizontally. But these have now the holes for the shifters. How would you do this horizontally? What? What am I missing? I'm too stupid. Sorry. I need a picture or something. Um, yeah. I guess they would, but the gears will disagree. Both of those gears are gonna disagree. You know, we are gonna get problems on both sides. Um, if this frame was like 4 studs longer. Oh. So we're gonna get rid of the spacer, I guess. I'm hoping that piece is gonna, you know, push this in enough so I can get away with some stuff here. Obviously we have a problem mounting it here, but we can do something. We can do something. Question is now just what do we do here? See, this would also benefit if it was longer. I mean, like this, it's fine, I guess. But, you know, to make a proper connection, I would need to flip it like this. And if I flip it like this, I don't know, maybe. Maybe this is fine. You know, maybe this is fine. And here we can have this. No. Okay, fine, yeah. This will fit. Where is the other one? Ah, okay. Because obviously we can take it out, mount this, and put it in. Okay, there. And then there. Why are you so stiff? Why is he binding up? This is the good one. This one's not binding up. Why are you? Maybe it needs to be the other way around. Possibly. That's weird. It's binding up. What the hell? Why are you binding up? I can feel it binding up. My god. And here, I don't know. Here it runs fine. I don't know. That's weird. Okay. Fine, I guess. Okay, so this one needs to be re-engineered because we need to pin it here. Okay. But essentially this one can be this. Just cannot be on the bottom. so this is pretty good. I mean, obviously we have to get rid of some legacy stuff that we don't longer need. And of course we need to re-engineer this front part. But we're looking reasonably good. We're gonna reintroduce this part here, I think. This part here, and we're gonna make use of this, yeah, to, you know, to fix it in place. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what's gonna happen. And if that's gonna happen, then we are gonna get rid of this frame as well, because why not? So both sides are gonna be you know, dog bones and stuff. But the question is, the million-dollar question is, can we get away with this here? I would say no. Yeah. No. But okay. 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 We'll see about that side. Okay. You know, for some stability. And here we can have, yeah, we can have a connector, just a connector as well on this, and we're gonna have one on this. Yeah, that's gonna be the way, I think. Okay, let's see about this side. Okay. Okay. Goes reasonably well. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I would like to do the same as on the other side, but that's not gonna happen because we are short here. We are short. And we need to do something about this because this is kind of, you know, supporting this. Good question. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I was hoping, you know, that the frame would come up to here, for example. But no, that's not gonna happen, I think. And besides, you know, we don't want this because it's gonna look asymmetrical. It's not gonna look good. We want some symmetry, you know. We want it to look like, you know, this. And we're gonna have, yeah, this is gonna be here. Like that. And here, no, here, definitely not. Yeah, here we can have just that. But if we have just that, we have no support here, which is tragic. Which is tragic. So we're gonna have, yeah, like that. And then we're gonna go over it and have something here. Yeah, because we have to. Come on, okay. So this is the port for this. And now we have to have I think this is gonna be enough. I'm probably gonna be wrong, but yeah. What? Okay. Sadly, this gives us no attachment point for this. See? Now this is a free agent. This is kind of okay. But if we do this, we don't get an attachment point for this. We cannot, you know, do anything here. So obviously, this is in the way. There's no option here because everything is taken. And obviously this guy is here. So, you know, all of these options are also gone. Unfortunate. But we do need this. We do need this. Absolutely. Otherwise, you know, this is just gonna detach. Even with this, you know, even with this is not the best. Fuck me, I don't know. Ideally, it would be connected to this, of course. Are you serious? How? How? Here on this side, I can put a connector in. If I do this the same on this side, I have no connection downwards. You know, the pin is here instead of this. And if I remove this here, you know, then this can happen. And when this happens, you know what happens next. Gears are skipping here between this. So these gears will skip. We do need to have something here. I mean, as it is, it's little, but I mean, if we could squeeze something here in here, something clever. The pin will be in the H part in any case, but it's not enough. We need something here on the far end. Well, the way it's gonna play out is, first of all, the Kara pieces are gonna be a lot better. So, first of all, see here, it's as far as it goes, and this will skip. So we will probably need the spacer here. We'll see. We'll see what's. Sorry, you couldn't see it. So this is as far as it goes. No. We'll see what's gonna happen. Well, thing is, this was skipping, of course, and the overall layout of the mechanics of the gearbox and the actuation is gonna be so much cleaner, simpler, you know, much better than what we had. What we had was fine if you don't have any special pieces, but you know, the better is the enemy of good. So this is better, and we have it, and we are going to use it, you know. But back to this. So obviously, you know, a pin is going to be here, not this one, but a pin is going to be here, obviously. But you know, then this part is still a free agent. And for this here to be solved, we would need to, I don't know what we would need to install, because there's no room. That's the issue. This guy provides us no room. Ideally, these orange pieces here would not be there. So I mean, the orange pieces, it's one piece, but ideally those would not be here. I understand why they are here. Absolutely, don't mind me. Uh, they have to be here, otherwise you cannot uh, pin in axles. I mean, put axles in, because inside there's no room because of the screw part. Uh, so it is what it is. You know, we have to deal with it. It would be ideal, but you know, what can you do? Yeah. I may have the part. Well, GSP, buy it. What can I say? Buy it. Okay. Now we can do something. How are we going to retain this here? Go buy it. What do you mean? The first generation? So I want to, uh, you know, do something here that's solid. Not just putting this here. Do you have a picture of it? Post it. Can you post it into the cars section in the Discord, so that we can, you know, see your plight? Well, show it. Okay, I will look at it the moment I am finished with putting this together. This can be improved. Can be improved. Yeah. Come on. Okay. What I'm doing here is overkill, I guess, but I feel compelled to do it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This feels so much better. So much better. And here on top, we are going to use this for now. For now. Okay. Okay. So it's not good. It's not terrible. You know, we are still missing a corner here. Still missing a corner here, and of course, you know, we need some bracing across because this vast empty space is just inviting, you know, this. And when this happens in a gearbox, you lose efficiency. Putting it mildly. Basically, gears are binding up, and you don't really want that. So it's probably gonna be fine, but you know, we need to do something about it because once this is happening, everything is, you know, everything is in question. But I'm happy with this corner. I'm happy with this corner. This is good. The right part for the right situation. Okay. What are we gonna do here? I would like to do something similar than on the other side because, you know, symmetry and stuff. Let me first see JSP's car. What is he buying? Come on, load it. Netty Auto is usually faster for me. But like it's trolling me, it just doesn't want to load. I see the picture kinda. Come on. Fucking hell. Okay, now it's loading it. Oh, I like this front. I like this front a lot. There's nothing wrong with it. Looks a very good Sierra. Okay. What does your wife say? That's a very important question. What does the lady say? Is she on board or is this gonna cause trouble? Yeah, P100 is a very interesting car. Yeah. I see potential for greatness here. I mean the gearbox, not the Sierra, but yeah, the Sierra too. As I thought. I mean, doesn't you don't have to be a rocket scientist to know this. Yeah. Focus is just fine. Yeah. We have room to put a lift arm across these two. Wouldn't look best, but get the job done, I guess. Okay. This would technically do it. Yeah, this is, you know, even without a brace across here, this is much, much, much better. Much, much, much better. What can we do with a brace? Well, I would go for just a strategically placed frame. Strategically placed frame. And hope for the best. Which is probably not gonna be very good because it's not touching any proper stuff. Yeah. On this side we have 2 attachment points. And here too, yeah. I'll try the frame. I think this is gonna be good. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be good. Yeah. Because the crankshaft of the engine goes above the frame. I hope. Yeah, I think it does. So we have this one and this one. Yeah. And then this one and this one. Okay. it does. I think most of us want a Sierra at one point in our lives. There. There. And here it's gonna be, I guess, best if we use something like this. How much was the Sierra? Wait. How much was the Sierra? It's not even expensive. How rusty is it? Doesn't even look that rusty. Why is it so cheap? It can't be just the lack of MOT. Right? Can't be just the lack of MOT. There must be something else. Okay. Oh, I forgot this one. Yeah, it doesn't even look that rusty, and that's what scares me. That's what scares me. What is wrong with it? Because something's gotta be wrong with it. Yeah, but when you screw up, there's no spectators coming to you for rescue, shouting "Oi oi 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 oi." That's the small problem. Okay, let's see. Very fine. Very good. Very good. I am happy with this. So the gearbox is pretty sturdy. I can feel, really resistance from the frame here. It's really nice. You can see slight movement, but we're never gonna eliminate everything, But for what it is, it's nice. We'll see about the spacer here if it's needed. If it's needed, we're gonna add it. If it's gonna be needed, it's gonna be needed. There's just, So obviously there's some optimizations that we can do. Eliminate this, whatever. There's gonna be some redesigning gonna be happening for the rear part here. We're gonna redesign this a little bit now that we have redesigned everything here. Obviously we're gonna redesign this to be better, of course. But yeah, let's test fit this. Let's fit this in the car. I mean, of course it fits, but still. Let's have just one. Okay, does not fit. Okay, because of this. Okay, so we need to do this. For now. So this space here is the problem. Now it fits. Well, come on. Why don't you fit? Where is the point of contention? Ah. But of course. Small issues, but on this side, this here is not supposed to be here. It has to be where this is. There's the frame, so we need to re-engineer this part to not have this part here. Yeah. Yeah, because the frame, it's the width of the frame that can be in. So we have the frame here and on this side as well. So as long as the frame is here, this can't, and the frame has to be here. I cannot make it wider, so this is gonna be re-engineered. Yeah, but not today. I am a bit tired because it was a very long day. Yeah. Next stream is gonna be, I think, on Friday. There's nothing planned on Friday. If I don't have any special things going on, stream is gonna be on Friday at usual time, because you know I really want to make this to finish this, and this gearbox is gonna be really the best iteration that we did so far. These are amazing, I think, because if you remember, our previous version of the gearbox had a lot of stuff above here. Now this is flat, and this is going to allow us to dress up the engine a little bit better. So you know, the engine's going to be having like exhaust and stuff, you know, something. But it's also, this is also, I think, as sturdy as it ever was. I don't think we had a gearbox so far that was sturdier than this. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I see you on Friday.